Tube back with the S10. Got the air filter all covered up because it's been raining all night. Anyway, gonna show you how I did this sunroof. Okay, I got the hole marked out. Some of these lines are off or whatever. I'm gonna get tape and put them on the right lines that I have. Nice and marked out, taped up. I just gotta cut the hole. This headliner is freaking ruined, so I'm just gonna take it out. Liner's all removed. Looks way better. I have to scrape off this little junk back here. But anyway, getting back to this. I thought this little crossbar was gonna mess with me, but this goes up here and it's thick enough for a headliner, so it's definitely thick enough to go over this little thing. Scuffed it all up. Gonna prime it and then wait till I get the paint I want, and then I'll paint it later. Okay, waiting on the sun to come up before I start grinding on the top of the truck and the hood. But I got this thing all primed for now. Got a little bit on the rubbers, but it doesn't really matter. Nice. Alright. It's now completely riveted and sealed down. Got glue everywhere, but I'll just scrape it up later with a razor blade. Just gonna let this dry for a few hours, then I'll take that clamp off and put the rest of it together. Now that the sunroof is all finished up, I'll start slapping in the mini spool. A few more parts for the S10, got a diff gasket, some rubber plugs for the radiator, some diff fluid, plasti dip for the grill, and then some new battery terminals. Also got some spark plugs. Mini spool. Just gonna yank the cover off and get to it. The old open differ. Got all the gears out. Here's the old open diff. Here's the new mini spool. Basically just lugs that go in there and make both axles solid. Same steps as removal. In there, both axle sides. I can't slide the C-clip on because it's square now, so I need to just shave off the edges of these. That's how the C-clips have to be made, square. That's how they used to be. Okay, it's all back together. Now when you spin one tire, the whole thing is forced to spin. Both tires. There's a better view of it. There she is, all cleaned up. Diff cover all lubed up with a gasket, ready to go back on. Okay, rear end is back together. I'm gonna wait till this afternoon. It has a half torque on these. I'm gonna wait till this afternoon when it dries up a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the torque on them. I can't seem to get this dang plug out, so I'm just gonna grind it, weld a socket on it. Little extension to weld in there instead of the plug nut because it just has better surface area. Ooh, that motherfucker's hot. Oh, yeah. now I just gotta jam some fluid in here. Okay, there's the rear end all finished up. It's got oil in it, a new plug adapter. Okay, once again, that is it for this one. Thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Well, the mini spool works. I didn't get it on camera. This camera was way over there, but it works.